Hey everyone, Joe here at Legacy. Today I want to show you guys the four-wheel drive system on our F-150s. A lot of people, it's pretty basic. It's four-wheel drive. I mean, all four wheels are turning at the same time. But what a lot of people don't understand or realize that they have on their vehicles, that we have auto over here. So we got two high, auto, high and low for your four-wheel drive system. Now, what auto means is you can leave it in for auto at all times, and you're basically letting the truck decide when it needs to engage in four-wheel drive and when it doesn't. For high, you can shift up on the fly up to 45 miles an hour, and for low, you've got to be in neutral. But if you look up here on the center screen, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So you can't actually mess any of this up. Now, what also too happens is you have this little symbol here. Now that just means a locking rear differential. So like the old school posi track, if you want to lock the rear axle so both wheels get torque, pull that out. Now your back axle is locked, both wheels are going to get traction. So, thanks for watching.